Hello and welcome back to How Trusted Info. In this video, I will show you how to change screensaver on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! First, you can expand your control center. Then head into Preferences. And in Preferences, you want to scroll down until you will see a section called Touchscreen. You can click Touchscreen, and as you can see right here, we have screensaver by default being set to 1 minute. You can click that and you can bump up this value to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 or never. Just note that having it to never will probably kill your battery very fast. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.